The following is an investor brand network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure. NetworkNewsAudio presents Torr Metals secures exploration permit for the highway-accessible Filion Gold Project. Torr Metals Inc. TSX Venture Exchange ticker symbol TMET.V is pleased to announce the Government of Ontario has granted a 3-year exploration permit allowing for drilling on the company's 100% owned 261 square kilometer Filion Gold Project. The project is ideally situated adjacent to the excellent infrastructure with direct road access from the Trans-Canada Highway 11, paralleled by the regional railway and provincial power grid, as well as the nearby town of Kapuskasing, located approximately 30 kilometers to the southeast. Malcolm Dorsey, the president and CEO, commented, quote, "The granting of this exploration permit opens up a tremendous opportunity for Torr to build on our promising work from late last year at the Filion Gold Project. We're very excited to further advance our exploration, especially after identifying extensive kilometer-scale gold soil anomalies that have yet to be drill-tested along trend of historical high-grade rock and channel samples. We are in the process of finalizing exploration plans and look forward to the coming months as we keep the market updated on our progress." End quote. Having acquired the project through staking on October 26, 2023, the company moved rapidly with a first-ever systematic humus soil program that tested the underexplored potential of the gold-endowed Filion Fault Zone, where historical results include rock grab samples that assayed 9.1 grams per ton gold and channel sampling that reportedly yielded 91.4 grams per ton gold over 0.3 meters. Highlights of the 2023 soil program included: 1. Delineation of multiple undrilled anomalies. 6 gold soil anomalies were delineated coincident with historical VLF-EM conductors associated with significant shear structures and stratigraphic contacts over a 2.5 kilometer wide corridor, with over 75% of the 28 filtered conductors remaining untested by soil sampling. Of 318 humus soil samples, 39 showed greater than 10 parts per million gold, with 13 exceeding 20 parts per million gold, reaching a maximum of 1,320 parts per million gold. 2. Kilometer-scale gold trends. The largest 2023 gold soil anomaly measures 1,200 meters in strike length across multiple conductors along trend of historical high-grade rock grab and channel samples, indicating a potential 2.5 kilometer strike length to undrilled gold mineralization. All 2023 soil anomalies remain open to the east and northeast. 3. Untested exploration upside. None of the 2023 humus soil anomalies contain historical drilling, providing Torr with the opportunity to be the first to test the significant potential for a major new gold discovery along the Filion Fault adjacent to the Trans-Canada Highway. Within the regional greenstone belt of northern Ontario, early zinc volcanic-aged gold deposits such as those at Hemlo, Greenstone, Casa Berardi, and Detour Lake are typically located within major east-west trending fault zones. These zones share similar geological settings to the Filion Fault, where key gold emplacement controls include structural dilational bends and competency contrasts along major stratigraphic contacts between mafic volcanics and quartz feldspar porphyry units. About Torr Metals. Torr Metals, based in Vancouver, British Columbia, is dedicated to advancing its 100% owned district-scale copper-gold porphyry and orogenic gold projects in highly accessible mining regions of Canada. Each project benefits from excellent existing infrastructure, year-round drilling potential, and low-cost development opportunities. The approximately 240 square kilometers Colas Copper-Gold Project is located in the prolific copper-producing Quesnel terrain of south-central British Columbia with direct access to Highway 5 and is situated 286 kilometers northeast of Vancouver. The approximately 261 square kilometers Filion Gold Project lies within an unexplored gold-bearing greenstone belt adjacent to the Trans-Canada Highway 11, just 202 kilometers from Timmins, northern Ontario. For more details, please visit the company's website, www.torrmetals.com, or view documents filed under the company's profile on SEDAR at www.sedar.com. This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.